Greetings from Emmons Avenue, Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn, New York. And this is Restaurant Row alongside of the Sheepshead Bay. Let's take a walk across. I love this bridge right here. I've walked it coming from Coney Island, and I've walked it heading to Coney Island. Let's take a walk over. It's a quaint wooden bridge, footpath, pedestrian bridge, many names for this type of bridge. But it's not a fishing bridge. You will not be able to realize that crossing the bridge, as every time I have crossed this bridge, once I pass this sign that says fishing prohibited from the bridge, I always see people fishing. And now a look of Emmons Avenue. Again, the Restaurant Row, and this is looking in the direction of headed towards Plum Beach and Marine Parkway to the Rockaway Peninsula, Jacob Riis Park. But I want to walk over to show you the beautiful view that exists on this side of the bridge, which is just as inviting as actually being on that side of the water. Now, when you are in this area, I have found very frequently I will hear fluent Russian-speaking residents in this area, but the cuisine on Emmons Avenue is very eclectic. I saw some Middle Eastern restaurants as well as some French restaurants. It's New York. You'll find everything. Down over to Brighton Beach, and then this side of the water there actually is places for swimming, but that beach would be called Manhattan Beach. But we're not in Manhattan, we are in the borough of Brooklyn, being greeted by an accordion player. Reminds me of my mom, Polish woman who played the accordion. Oh, by the way, this is a July evening, and we are getting to Exeter Street at Shore Road. And I would say half the times that I've been here, especially always in the summer, there's an ice cream truck. So there is a reason to cross the bridge. It is indeed for ice cream. And now, I mentioned when I was on the other side that there are these benches. This is the Shore Boulevard path, and I'm gonna take a spot right there. But first I wanna show you the view, because I don't think I'm gonna be getting up for a few minutes. Again, this is Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn, New York, looking at Emmons Avenue from the Brighton Beach side of the pedestrian walkway. Closest subway is the B for Brooklyn, or B for Brighton Beach, or the Q train for a quality night out in BKNY. Now there's the pedestrian bridge. Very enjoyable walk. And now, and then again, that brings you to Shore Boulevard. I'm going to occupy a bench, and you can now see what the view is like. There we go. Till next time, happy summer from Brooklyn.